Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I have got something really cool for you guys that is going to get you into the fall and Halloween season. So, Thread Tank, who is a t-shirt company, just sent me two t-shirts that I was allowed to pick out. They contacted me and they asked me if I wanted to do an unboxing on my channel. Of course, I said yes. I looked at their stuff and I'm like, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. And their tagline is stories you can wear. And they literally have the cutest t shirts you could ever imagine. So, comes in this cool brown package here. I even got a sticker, Stories You Can Wear by Thread Tank. And I'm going to open this up, and then I'm going to try one of these on. Not on camera. So let me see what we have here. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so the packaging is really nice. Check it out. We have got two awesome packaged tanks here. They're not tanks, I got tees. They do sell tanks though, and sweatshirts and everything else. So let me open one of these up. Oh my gosh, you guys, they are so soft. Holy moly. So check it out. Of course, I got one that says it's pumpkin season, and I got the gray because I thought it would kind of match my background. The second t-shirt I'm going to put on, because you guys are going to love this. I will be right back. You guys, I'm back. Check it out. I have got a Hello Queen t-shirt. How perfect is this? The minute I saw this one, I'm like, I have to have the Hello Queen t-shirt. So they do have, I'm linking below to their Halloween and fall pumpkin t-shirts. And their Halloween ones, I really love their Halloween collection. They're so cute. Some of the sayings are trick or teach. They've got I put a spell on you, whiny witches, hocus pocus, I need wine to focus. Just a cool boo, a nightmare before coffee. Just really cute, like witty little statements. They have all natural type of kind of fabrics here. I chose, I think this one is called Heather Sage, which, yeah, I got the Heather Sage. This one is actually, I think this one is this the tan one? I think this is the tan one. But I really love these like natural fabrics. They're so pretty. And the t-shirts, they are timeless and iconic fit, softest material ever, made with eco-friendly materials and processes, lightweight, durable, breathable fabric. So, let's see here, what else does it say? They are 52% cotton, 48% polyester. So they have a little give in them. You know, they're not like they're not going to wrinkle on you, which is kind of cool. So I'm absolutely loving this. I think this is so me for the Halloween season, given my awesome background. Down below, I did link to their Halloween and pumpkin line, and if you use the code GIRLGEEKS10, you'll get 10% off your entire purchase. So if you'd like to order one of these t-shirts, you can go to their website. Like I said, they have all kinds of cool stuff, and I believe you get free shipping. Yes, if you spend $45 or more, you're going to get free shipping. But they have all kinds of, like I said, some new, let's see, what else do they have? In the new releases, they've got like love. Oh, they got some really cute pet ones too. They've got Army Girl, Navy Girl. They've got Dog Mom. They had a cute pumpkin one. I kind of debated between the pumpkin ones, but I chose this one because I kind of think it just represents my my love for everything pumpkin. And then they have got some really cute dog. I'm all over these dog t-shirts. They've got one that says Love Dachshund Dog. And you know me, I've got Coco the Chiweenie, who's part Dachshund, part Chihuahua. So just all kinds of cute stuff. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you to the Thread Tank folks for sending me two t-shirts. I am absolutely loving these. Woohoo! Can't wait. wait to wear this one. Pumpkin season. It is so pumpkin season. I'm even freezing. That's funny. So anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you guys later. Have an awesome Monday. Bye-bye.